affirmative, negative. Let's go ahead with rule 8 of affirmative negative, that is either or is equal to neither nor plus opposite word. It also implies that either or plus opposite word is equal to neither nor. Now, the first interested neither in music nor in dance. Here, the rule is neither nor is given, neither nor plus opposite word you have to write to make it either or. So, I am opposite of interested is disinterested. I am disinterested either in music or in dance. Instead of neither we use either, instead of nor we use or. And interested, the opposite word is disinterested. I like neither tea nor coffee. Now here neither nor is used. Instead of that we have to use either or to make it affirmative, but still the sense will not remain the same if we do not write the opposite word of the given verb here. The given verb is like, so the opposite word is dislike. I dislike either tea or coffee. Sometimes it may seem that the meaning has changed, but do not think too much about it, because basically say the rule is mentioned over here. You have to write either or, neither nor in place of each other and write the opposite word. If that is done, the meaning will not change. Either television or computer is liked by children. Now here neither television nor computer is opposite of liked is disliked by children. Now the ninth rule for affirmative negative is not only is equal to, not only but also is equal to both and. Here you have to keep in mind that not only is equal to both and but also is equal to and, but it is never a partial transformation. Instead of not only, if you write both and not change the next part of it, that is and in place of but also, then that will not work. Let us go through the examples. Not only Seema but also her friend went to the park. Now instead of not only we have to write both, so both Seema, instead of but also we have to write and, so both Seema and her friend went to the park. Both she and her mother attended the wedding. Not only she but also her mother attended the wedding. Not only I but also my sister won the prize. Both I and my sister won the prize. Not only Ramesh but also Suresh fell down. Both Ramesh and Suresh fell down. Both Akbar and Ashoka ruled well. Not only Akbar but also Ashoka ruled well. So it's a very simple rule. Now the rule opposite word is the rule that you have been learning since you have started learning affirmative negative. That write the opposite word of the given noun, adjective, adverb, whichever can be transformed. He likes to sing. This is rule 10 of affirmative negative. He likes to sing. The opposite of likes is dislike. But you have to make it negative also. So, two things you have to do when you write the opposite word. If you straight away write down, he does not like, sorry, he dislikes to sing, that would be wrong, because the meaning will change. The meaning should not change when you do transformation of any sentence, whether it be affirmative, negative, or any other sentences that are given for transformation. The meaning should remain intact. So he doesn't, that is we are making it negative, and we write the opposite of likes, that is dislike. Be conscious here that likes is the SES form which is used with he. So then to make it negative, we have to use doesn't, I don't, we don't, you don't, they don't, he doesn't, she doesn't, it doesn't. So to change a sentence of simple present tense into negative, we have to use don't or doesn't. With he, she, it, we use doesn't. With I, we, you, they as subjects, we use don't. So he doesn't dislike to sing. Here again you have to be watchful that after do or does, we always write the base form of the verb, that is dislike, from likes. SES form of the verb we never write after don't, doesn't, didn't or shall will, or any of the modal auxiliaries can, could, should, would, must, might, have to, has to, had to. God will remember the cry of the humble. God will not forget. So here, will remember, we make it negative, will not remember. But we also write the opposite word, that is forget. God will never forget the cry of the humble. We didn't find the road bad. The opposite word that you can write for bad is good. But again, as I told you, didn't find is negative. We have to write affirmative. As it is in simple past tense, you will have to write the past tense form of find, that is found. We found the road good. All were present. Opposite of all is none. Was absent. So here we are not changing, say, were into weren't. All weren't absent. Then the meaning will change. When all, none, such indefinite pronouns are given, you have to take care that when all is given, the opposite will be none. So none was absent. He is proud of himself. He is not humble. He is not humble. The two brothers are not unlike each other. The two brothers are like each other. Unlike opposite is like. Now rule 11 for affirmative negative. Ever is equal to never, everyone is equal to no one, everything is equal to nothing plus the opposite word. I have not mentioned here in the rule, but always keep in mind that ever, instead of ever, if you straight away write never, then that will not end the job of transformation. You will also have to write the opposite word. Let us check example 1. Everyone was happy. No one was unhappy. So here everyone becomes no one and we write the opposite word of happy, that is unhappy. Everything looked pleasant. Everything becomes nothing, but the opposite word of pleasant is unpleasant. No other changes are required. Everyone was pleased. No one was displeased. Everything in the party looked beautiful. Nothing in the party looked ugly. Everyone will admit their mistake. No one will deny their mistake. Now, rule 12 and 13 are the master key of affirmative negative. These rules can be applied anywhere. If any of the rules that we have done so far is not applicable, then rule 12 or rule 13 will do the job, but you have to be conscious if the sentence can be changed affirmative to negative using any of the 11 rules mentioned here, then you don't have to use rule 12 and 13, because I have observed that many a times while checking the transformation sentences in board examination, the examiners are not aware about this rule 12 and 13. So the moderator, if he is aware, he might change the marks. Otherwise, you may get this wrong if it is not given in the solution that is prepared by the board. Well, let us go through rule 12. Refrained from is followed by ing and failed to is followed by root form of the verb. He failed to play the match is equal to he didn't play the match. He failed to is an affirmative sentence, the negative is he didn't play the match. He did not go to school. Did not go is negative. To make it affirmative, we write he refrained from going to school, or we can also write he failed to go to school. He did not do his work. Did not do is negative is equal to he failed to do his work or he refrained from doing his homework. Sorry. The girl was not pleased. The girl was refrained from being pleased. Here again, this sentence you can change using displeased. The girl was not displeased. That is right. But you can also change it in this way. Now, other master key for affirmative negative is interrogative assertive. When a question is given, you change it into a statement. Again, here one rule is that if the given question is affirmative, you have to write a negative answer. If the given question is negative, you have to give an affirmative reply. Who can touch pitch without being defiled? No one can touch pitch without being defiled. You straight have to give the answer. Now the given question is affirmative, so you have to give a negative answer. Who can touch pitch without being defiled? No one can touch pitch without being defiled. He was a villain to do such a deed. Now he was not a hero to do such a deed is one way of doing it. But the master key when you want to apply, it would be wasn't he a villain to do such a deed? You have to ask a question. The given statement is affirmative, so write a negative question. Wasn't he a villain to do such a deed? When can their glory fade? Now here this is a question, affirmative question. Give a negative reply to that. Their glory cannot fade or can never fade. Who doesn't know the owl? Everyone knows the owl. We should not waste time. Why should we waste time? Or should we waste time? And a question mark is also correct. That was not an example to be followed. Was that an example to be followed? And a question mark that will change the sentence from uh, negative to affirmative by making it a question. So that's all for affirmative negative. Thank you.